the sky. Looks good on that neon buzzing on the wall, but darling, it don't match your eyes. I'm telling you, you don't need that guy. It's so black and white, he's stealing your thunder. Baby blue ain't your color. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play You Got It by Keith Urban. We're going to do Blue Ain't Your Color. So, real quick, if you like this video or if you like this tutorial or any of my other stuff, I'd really appreciate it if you would please subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new lessons. So, here we go. No capo, standard tuning. And this song is super easy to play. Really easy strumming pattern, really easy chord progression. It's pretty much the same throughout most of the song, but not entirely. So, the way that the song starts is, let's get going here. So, you start with the first verse and you're going to do, I can. So remember, there's no chords at the very beginning of the verses, okay? So it's I can, and then you do G. See you over there staring at your drink, watching that I sink alone tonight. Okay, and all alone is when you do A minor. So the chords are going to be G. And I do that G, it doesn't really matter if you do this G or this G, whatever's easiest for you on this. So I do G on C, see you over there, and then you do A minor on all alone tonight. Okay, so you do A minor, and then you do C, and chances, so you do C on chances. Chances are you're sitting here in this bar. D. All right, D is what you do on in this bar. Yeah, that's right, D on bar. In this bar, because he ain't gonna treat you right. So you do G on treat. Okay, so you go back. So it's G, A minor, C, and then D. That's the verse. Okay, and then you go back to G. All right, so G, 'cause he ain't gonna treat you right. And then you stay with G, and then you go, well, it's probably not my place, but I'm gonna say it anyway. All right, so then you start over. So it's G, A minor, C, D, G, and then you go back to G again. So, like, not back to G, you're already on it, but you're gonna start over again with G, okay? So then, when you go to the chorus, it's gonna be mostly the same. It's gonna be G, and again, you can just do that strumming pattern the whole time. Just down, 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 okay? It's super easy. You don't have to do any alternate strumming. Now, when I do it, I do down, 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 down. Okay, so you notice when I'm transitioning chords, I go like that real quick, down, up. Okay, so down, 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 transition. All right? Okay, I just do a quick down, up. And then when I'm switching, you don't have to. A lot of guitarists do it. I think it makes it sound cooler and looks better, but you don't have to. You can play this if you want. You can play, so in the chorus you can go, blue looks good on the skies. So notice I'm playing it like faster, but that's not how he plays it. They're just doing like a very specific downward strum. Okay, now in the verses, you're gonna do, the strumming is palm muted, okay? Put that part of your hand as close as you can right here, okay? And then you're just gonna pluck the strings, or strum the strings. Okay, so like for these two, E and A on that one, whatever ones you're mainly like holding down. So you wouldn't strum it down here. You're right, you're gonna do it up here. All right, so you do, so the chorus, you could do the exact same strumming pattern, but I think it's better instead of palm muting the chorus, if you take your hand off. So if you're like, blue looks good on the skies. All right, so if you lift your hand off, make it a little bit louder, because otherwise the song is going to be almost exactly the same like the whole time, and you're not going to change it up. It just doesn't, especially when you're playing it by yourself without any other instruments, it's not going to sound as good. So just make sure I think it's the best anyway to palm mute during the verses, and then during the chorus to not palm mute anymore. Okay, I'm not using a pick. You can, it's whatever you're comfortable with. So it's going to be the same chord progression for most of the chorus. It's going to be G. So blue looks good on the skies. start G is on blue, sky is A minor, okay? Looks good on that knee. And so neon is when you go to C. Neon buzzing on the wall, but darling, darling is D, okay? So that's an easy one to remember. Darling, it don't match your eyes. So on eyes is when you do G. I'm telling you, and you stick with G. You don't need that guy. So guys, when you do A minor, it's so black and white. White, you do C. He's stealing your thunder. So thunder is D. Okay, and then here's where the song, the chord progression changes. Okay, so you go baby blue. So you do C, blue, B minor, ain't your A minor color, and then you go to G. Okay, so you play G a little bit, then you mute. I'm not trying to, and then you start going, trying to be another just pick you up kind of guy, trying to drink you up, trying to take you home. I know I did that fast, I was trying to catch up to myself, but so that's how it goes. So you'll mute, then you go, I'm not trying to, and then you start strumming, okay? So after trying to be is when you're gonna start strumming again, okay? So that's the chorus for the entire song except for the solo. I'm not going to teach you how to do the solo in this one. Let me know if you want me to in the comments. Like I can do it on another video, but I'm not going to teach it on this one. But the way that the solo goes, the guitar underneath it, it's E minor. Okay, so it's no 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 no. Then you go to A minor. All right, and then you go back to. So you do that, and you go, ain't your color, baby, on E minor again. And then you do C, okay? Okay, and that's the whole solo. So it's E minor, A minor, okay? E minor, C. And that's, I'm playing it faster than it actually goes. It's E minor, no, 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 no. Ain't your color, baby. Yeah, see. Blue, and then you go back into the chorus, okay? So that's how you do it. So then again, remember at the end of it, you go, so you're at the end of the chorus, you're gonna do that C, B minor, A. So baby blue, ain't your color. And then you're gonna play that again, okay? So to end the song, you're gonna go, baby blue, ain't your color. And then it's the no no baby, come here baby, let me light up your world. Okay, so it's, and that's all in G. That's how that whole part is. No no baby, come here baby, let me light up your world. And that's how you play it. Okay, so that's the entire song. Super easy to play. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Or anything, and yeah, thanks guys for watching. It's been a pleasure as always, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.